In this video, we are making a refreshing English garden mocktail using the Smeg Soda Maker to create the perfect sparkling moment. This alcohol-free cocktail is packed with fresh flavours and is perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. First things first, let's make our sparkling water. Begin by filling your Smeg Soda Maker bottle with chilled water, attach it and turn the dial to carbonate. The beauty of this appliance is that you can control the fizz to your preference. Now let's build our English garden mocktail. Begin with 50 millilitres of fresh apple juice for a crisp and naturally sweet base. Add 15 millilitres of elderflower cordial. This adds a floral and slightly citrusy touch. A squeeze of fresh lime, about 10 millilitres, adds a zing to balance the flavours. Strain the mixture into a glass filled with ice, then top it with our freshly made sparkling water for that refreshing, bubbly finish. Garnish with some fresh cucumber slices and a sprig of mint for that signature English garden freshness. And there you have it, the perfect English garden mocktail, made effortlessly with the Smeg Soda Maker. If you'd like to see more drinks made with the Smeg Soda Maker, please check out our other videos.